For a number of tasks that query objects, it's possible to configure evaluators. Evaluators are very similar to conditions, but where a condition determines what settings a task must comply before it is executed, an evaluator does this afterwards. An evaluator contains one or more expressions that determine whether the evaluator can be satisfied based upon the query results, and defines what action should be taken on this. This makes it possible to let the execution of succeeding tasks depend on the results of a query. Using an evaluator is entirely optional. Within the RES Automation Manager console, let's navigate to repositories and modules. Let's add a module and give it a name and description. Under Task, click Add, and search for the disk space query. Under Evaluator, click Add, and select Free Space. Under Operator, select less than or equal to, and under Value, I'm entering 100 megabytes. If this evaluator returns data, then I'm going to fail the query. However, if it returns no data, then I can continue to the next stage. Under Error Control, I need to select Stop Job on Error. So the result of this query will be that if I have less than 100 megabytes of disk space, the job stops. If I have more than 100 megs of disk space, I can continue on to the next task. Let's add the next task, which is the Windows Installer package. Enter the security context, and browse for the MSI file. Click OK to confirm, and OK to save the job. Now let's right-click and schedule, and select two devices. A Windows 7 workstation has less than 100 megabytes of free disk space, but the Windows XP machine has plenty. Under Current Activity, we can view the progress. And when the job's finished, we can look at the results. I can see that I've determined that my Windows 7 machine only has 80.9 megs free, as opposed to the Windows XP one that has over 8 gigabytes. Therefore, the installation of Foxit was cancelled on the Win 7 machine, but it completed successfully on Windows XP. Let's skip over to the workstation and confirm this. So on Windows 7, sure enough, there's no Foxit Reader icon. But if I now log on to Windows XP, we should see that Foxit Reader has been successfully installed.